Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you had a great day. Today is Thursday, May 28th. And well, the weekend's almost here. That's good, but tomorrow we still have something very important, which is your reading fluency evaluation. And today is your last day to practice. So I hope you practiced a lot. I am really sorry I didn't upload yesterday's story. I'm gonna try to make the video today and share it with you tomorrow. I'm about to watch your videos to see your progress, your weekly progress. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot. And I was thinking of which other tips I could give you for reading. So I thought of two that I think they might be very important. First one, when you read either a book or either the computer, you need to be in a place where you have good light. Okay? Good light is very important. And the other one I want to share with you is read thinking about the story. Try not to think. Be careful when you read with your pronunciation and with punctuation and with the tone, but it's very important that you try to enjoy the story too. If you pay attention to the story, the fluency is going to flow. The fluency is going to flow. So let's start. This is today's story, and it's called I Don't Want to. I do not want to take a bath. Or eat my peas. Or do my math. I do not want to wash my hair. Or get dressed up. Or have to share. I do not want to sit up straight. Like that. Or take out trash. Stinky trash. Or wash my plate. You guys, there is a function. I'm sorry to interrupt the story, but there's a function. If you click here, an open book, the pages are going to double, and that's going to make it easier too for you to read. Okay, I'm going to continue. Or wash my plate. I do not want to walk instead. Or wait my turn. Or go to bed. I do not want to, but I do. To show you what is good for you. Oh, it's really sweet. I hope you liked it. And I hope you are learning a lot. I love you, kids. See you tomorrow.